Well, it is a nice day today. It's cool, the breeze is blowing, summer's crazy heat has not got here yet, and I'm in one of the favorite places to be, in a chair. But I've got a little bit of a problem with this chair. Let me show you what my problem is and how we're going to fix it. So all these chairs end up rusting over time, and my favorite chair pretty much rusted through. Although this chair has that spring on the side that lets you rock, I don't really care for the design. I prefer them when they look like this. And I bought this chair to replace the one I had. But let me show you what the problem is. It's pretty funny. Now in the wintertime I gain a little weight, but besides the weight I like to rock, and these metal chairs are great rocking chairs. And this particular one doesn't care how far I rock. It's always going to go back to where it was before I sat in it, which is really cool no matter what I do. But the chair I bought to replace it, I don't believe this chair is built out of quite the same materials, because it does like to rock and it does lean back. But the more I rock backwards, the farther it keeps going. And it'll just keep going farther and farther back until I think I'm going to fall out and bust my head. And I think it's because the metal is just crappy right where the spring's at. Right here. That's some poor metal. I can get out of this chair and I can mend it back. But as soon as I go to sit in it again, it's going to do the same thing. I'm going to rock a half a dozen times, and before you know it, I'm going to be on the ground. So we're going to have to come up with something to fix this. Well, thanks for tuning in to the channel I'm watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't know what kind of metal they made it out of, but it's not very good metal. So I need the seat, but the base is messed up. But I got a secret. So this is the base off of my old chair, and I need to change this bottom for that bottom. Looks like I should just be able to slide it on, because this one had little screws that would hold it in place. Let's get to work. So I'm going to use a battery operated 20 volt DeWalt grinder. And between my 4.5 inch cutting wheel and sanding disc, I'm going to end up taking the body of this chair off the springs and base. Eventually I ended up going with a hammer and a pry bar, and I used those two tools to end up breaking off part of the spring. After I managed to get those pieces off, I went back with my hammer, and on one side I literally just beat the spring away from the chair base. And on the other side, I was forced to use the hammer and a nail set. But I did whatever it took to remove the chair from the spring. With the base removed from the chair, the next thing to do was to take the sanding wheel and clean everything up. Then I moved on to the old base with the better springs and cleaned everything up there for my test fit. So the old chair came in two different pieces. The base was separate from the chair portion, and you slid the chair on top of the springs and then screwed those two nuts down to hold it in place. Well, I was hoping I'd be able to slide the body of the chair onto the old base, but it didn't work out like I had hoped. I had to do some modifications with the grinder, but eventually I got it to the point where I could put that chair onto the base. You know, about 5 years ago, I bought a really cheap Harbor Freight welding machine. Probably the bottom of the line, less than 200 bucks. But that little welding machine has turned out to be quite handy, and I've used it, not a bunch, but every time I've used it, I've been really happy I've had it. And today's another one of those occasions. It doesn't look like I'm going to be able to use the nuts that held on the old chair, so I'm going to grind those off, and I'm going to get the welding machine out, and I'm going to weld these two pieces together. Well, welding is really bad for your eyes, and I didn't know it for the longest time. It's bad for your camera too. But I got both sides welded and ground down everything to make it look good, and here we have it. The chair is finished, and it's time to give it a test. Well, I knew the old springs would hold my weight, but I gave it a good run for its money. I really do like reclining in these chairs. It definitely is a relaxing thing to do. But at any rate, I think we've got it fixed, and you can see the chair goes back to its original position as soon as I get out. Here is my chair, the one I like so much. One of these days, you guys are going to have to see me in street clothes instead of my project clothes. But at any rate, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, check out my playlist, and I'll see you on a sunnier day.